Hey everyone, so I just got a box in the mail full of yummy Posh stuff and I wanted to share it with you. So here is our seasonal flyers, so all of our holiday goodness, all the different holiday items, and I can post more about those later, so that's awesome. And then I've got my samples, Moisturizer 911, which is one of the most popular Posh moisturizers that we have, caffeinated face moisturizer. So if you're interested in samples, let me know. I can, if you want to comment below, if you'd like some samples, I can send those out. So that's pretty awesome. And then here we go. Oh snap. One of our hand creams is actually a limited edition hand cream that I won, so I'm excited because I will be using this one personally. Grapefruit's one of my favorite scents. I'm excited to try that one. And then our very popular Gender Bender mask, which I've actually done a video about. This one I will try and post the video later. I'm not sure if I posted it yet. This is really good at getting stains out of everything, and it's also going to be amazing for getting